Meantime, a Michigan ER doctor who contracted COVID-19 was recovering at home until his symptoms took an unexpected turn. 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has his story and the hope of what we can all do to help each other.
Dr. Dave Burkard's first symptom was a fever. He was tested and it came back positive for COVID-19. And his recovery isn't anything like he imagined.
Was I shocked when I had to go to the ER for it? Absolutely. Never in a million years did I think that my 28-year-old, healthy, very active self would end up in the ER with COVID.
But that's just where Dr. Dave Burkard ended up, in the ER, where he's a resident physician in emergency medicine at Spectrum Health Butterworth Hospital in Grand Rapids.
I've run a marathon before. I've been out of breath before, but I've never had it where it just felt like I just couldn't get the oxygen that I needed.
And the 3 days he was hospitalized came after this U of M grad thought he was nearing the end of his experience with COVID-19 at home in quarantine.
Day 6 came around and I was like a different man.
The oxygen levels for this healthy ER doc were dropping, and his primary care physician said he needed to go to the ER.
The scariest symptom was definitely the shortness of breath. Just like I would get up from my bed, walk 5 steps to the bathroom, and I'd be bent over trying to get a deep breath.
In a Facebook post that's been shared thousands of times, Dr. Burkard urged people to wear a mask and think about those who are sick, gasping for air, and can't be with their loved ones.
I've watched the 50-year-old man Zoom or FaceTime his family to say goodbye. Those are experiences that live with you. I went into this field because I love people and I love saving lives and working in the ER and being able to have that impact on people. And if my message can convince one person to wear a mask, then it's worth it.
And Dr. Burkard won't be with his family this Thanksgiving, and it breaks his mother's heart, but he's staying away for her health and others. She has MS. Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.
Kim, thank you. Many others making the same types of difficult decisions to stay apart this Thanksgiving.
So glad he made it, too.